We all know physical activity is good for us, but it can be tricky to understand exactly how it affects glucose levels. What types of activity are most helpful for you? Are there certain times of day when activity makes a bigger difference for your own body?
By physical activity, we're talking about any type of movement, even things like yard work, gardening, dancing, shopping, or cleaning the house. And just a little physical activity can have a big impact on establishing healthy habits. Think of physical activity as a glucose-lowering tool, available all the time. Being active in the morning can set you up for lower glucose values throughout the day. And adding some activity after a meal can limit how much your glucose rises or help you lower it faster. So reward your body with physical activity whenever you can. Let's see what some added activity did for Laura.
I sit behind a desk all day, working on my computer. After lunch, my glucose can get up above 180, so I've been experimenting with a few changes this week. I started walking after I eat just for 10 minutes. I'm on the phone quite a bit at work, so another thing I've tried is at least 2 standing phone calls a day using my speakerphone. During the call, I lift small weights I keep at my desk. It's actually kind of surprising what a difference it makes.
I wanted to add some activity after dinner too, but I don't like walking in the dark. So instead, I'll turn on some music and do some stretching. It decreases my after-meal glucose spike and it's super relaxing.
What's one small change you can make tomorrow to be more physically active?